Rain has been rolling in over the last several hours and more to come. Really, it's going to be a wet night and early morning. Thankfully, this will be gone, or at least mostly moving out by rush hour. So other than some slick roads, maybe still a few areas of standing water, we won't have the ongoing rain. That's going to continue, though, through the overnight. At times, some pockets of approaching heavier showers. Most of it has been light, moderate rainfall and not constant. We do get some breaks here and there, but as mentioned, kind of a heavier band from Morgan City up south of Raceland will continue moving up toward the northeast over the next several hours. May clip parts of the metro area if it's able to hold together. Over the metro area at the moment, kind of a light rainfall and more breaks north of the lake as more of that moisture is still surging in. So overcast, rain, and cool. Temperatures have stayed chilly all day today and in the 50s. Now, dew points are in the 50s as well, but this was never a very warm, humid air mass ahead of this disturbance. So thankfully, the air around us is actually pretty stable. You don't have the lift that you would normally get with the high humidity and high temperatures. 50s is far as the temperatures go, and dew points in the 40s and 50s is very stable. What that means is not much of a risk of severe weather. Doesn't mean we won't see any thunderstorms, but the risk of them becoming strong or severe is very, very minimal. That's why the Weather Storm Prediction Center only ever places us under that level 1 threat. Winds are onshore, but they will be changing direction and brisk during the day tomorrow. Rain and storms through the evening and overnight. Falling temperatures during the day Wednesday, and then some hard freezes are on the way come Thursday and Friday morning. Here is the setup. Big upper level troughing moving across the plains. This is creating the instability across now the central United States. Snow and ice just up to our north. For us, it is a cold rain, and that system continues to move our way and will continue through the overnight. May get a little bit heavier after midnight, closer to 2 a.m. by about 4. Most of the rainfall gone and temperatures dropping after that. Again, low end threat for severe weather. Really, the better opportunity for any storms to become strong severe would be right along the coastline near the warm front, but that would be maybe Port Fourchon, Grand Isle, and that would be about it. As far as rainfall totals go, we'll pick up about 1+ inch of rain, maybe near 2 near the coastline, but overall we can handle that. It's some isolated downpours that could lead to some street flooding, and I think that's going to be fairly localized as well. Very frigid air. This is associated with a piece of the polar vortex. Now, as that piece of the vortex continues moving south, this is that real cold North Pole air, it is going to moderate, but boy, the center of that is coming right across the plains. That's why our temperatures are coming down. Now, this isn't that Siberian air that we saw a few weeks ago with the snow, which is why we're not expecting record type temperatures, but certainly chilly. Colder for the next couple of days and still on the chilly side for this coming weekend. Early next week, we kind of get some ridging out west, which might help our temperatures warm up, but note what the Euro is indicating, another dive of some cold Canadian temperatures across the central and eastern half of the nation. That places us toward the end of next week and the following weekend. So it looks like our second big and final weekend of Carnival will be on the colder side. Now, before that happens, we got to get through the storms today. Our hard freezes both Thursday and Friday morning. That means protect the pipes north of the lake. Wind chills on Thursday will be in the teens and 20s. Chilly, but not as cold going into the weekend. May see a few spotty showers late Saturday evening. So our Saturday evening parades, I think they're going to be okay. Better chance of rain a little bit later. A little milder going into early next week before another big drop in temperatures.